Hey, and welcome back to MarineMax. My name is Leo Johnson, and today you join me in front of a 2026 Harris Cruiser 230. This particular boat is a Heritage Edition boat that comes standard with the power bimini you see up here, lily pad easy step ladder, the black fence railings here as well. It's a very well equipped boat, again finished in this nice black color. This is a tri-toon boat with the 150 horsepower Mercury out back. Really great option there. As we climb inside, this boat's in the SLDH layout, one of Harris's most popular layouts. We've got the fender holders on the back side of this boat, as well as the triple-toon here, set up ski tow bar. You've got the lily pad ladder off to the side there, which is a really nice feature. This SLDH lounger here is a great place to hang out. Off to the left side, you've got cooler storage under here. 3 cup holders for your rear passengers. Nice through storage all the way underneath your lounger over on the center. And then with this being that SLDH layout, you've got a 3-position lounger back here. 1, 2, and all the way flat for number 3. A really nice customizable experience. You've got a walk-through door here with a latch on it. And as you step inside, see you got some really nice seating on the front side of your lounger here, as well as your 2 captain's chairs, which are that DH dual helm in the model designation. Great area here with some good access to your speed, RPMs, trim level, and fuel level. Got a Wet Sounds 400 series stereo on this boat as well. Manual controls for your key components like your lights, wireless phone charger, power tower controls, as well as that throttle and shift for that 150. Walking further forward here, we've got a center ski locker on this boat in that center tune. It's the largest in the industry. Really nice setup there for the boat. And coming all the way up to the bow, before we stop there, let's check out this port side walk-through door. It's extra wide on these boats, really good access in and out. Another thing I want to point out is your passenger cup holders here, just next to your passenger helm chair. Last but not least, up here at the bow of this boat, great seating area for the whole family. Got 2 cup holders on either side with USB and USB-C chargers in between. You got tons of storage here as well under all of these seats with water drains around the outside to keep them dry on the inside. That's been a quick overview of this 2026 Harris Cruiser 230 Heritage Edition. We've got a couple of these in stock right now, several more on the way. Give us a call, check us out at MarineMax.com, or stop by today for more info on the Harris Cruiser 230. Thanks for watching.